Hi, thanks for joining us. My name is Haley and our model today is Hannah.
Hi.
We're so excited to share more about the SHEFIT Ultimate Sports Bra. So Hannah is wearing the black right now, and are you wearing 4 lux?
4 lux.
Okay,
Yes.
so what you'll see from the size chart is that you probably will fit into more than one size, but if you are able to come in and visit us at our Burnaby or Langley store, our fitters will do a personalized measurement. They'll try the bra on with you, get it adjusted for you. And the idea is really that you set it and forget it, but it does have the adjustability if you want to move the straps up and down to get either a better fit for high impact or low impact. So I'll show you how the bra works. So Hannah has put it on and zipped it up in the front. This is a really great zipper with this little cover, so it's totally undetectable as far as feeling it. Like, you don't feel anything when you have the bra on.
It also goes all the way down the zipper in the back too, so you have no chafing or anything like that.
Yeah. So you're gonna put on the bra like a backpack almost, zip it up in the front. It does have some internal hook and eyes, so you can kind of secure it with the hook and eyes and zip it. And then in the back is where you get this really great adjustability in the band. So right now, Hannah hasn't adjusted it at all. What we want to see is that you have a little bit less space in the band, because 80% of your support comes from the band. And we want to make sure that your breast tissue is totally supported. So that's about how much space you want. But Hannah has a lot of space here that she can tighten it, or if she wants less, she can loosen it. So in the front here, before you adjust the straps, you want to make sure that the band is sitting flush and all your breast tissue is brought up in the cup. So do you feel like your breast tissue is brought up there? It feels like it is?
Yeah.
Okay, and then comes the adjustability in the shoulder here. So this is something that you can lift a little bit more or less depending on your preference for the day. But this is kind of how it looks. So this Velcro is super sticky. You're not going to have any problems with it. And we'll do the other side. Okay, so now she's nice and secure in there. So she has a lot of freedom with these straps to kind of adjust and have, you know, less support, more support. Okay, and you can adjust the straps in the back, so you can make this a crisscross closure by just swapping these in the front. So when you're wearing the SHEFIT Sports Bra, it's very easy to remember these 3 steps. The zip with the protected zipper, the cinch in the back, and finally, the lift.